Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about how to give permission or access to any user in Google Analytics 4 account. First of all, you have to log in your Google Analytics account and select your property and account, and then you can click on admin, and here you can find account access management, and you can also find this option here. Both are the same thing, and then click here, and after that you will see a window like this, and here you can see if this option is available. That means you have the authority to give permission. If you don't have administrator access, you cannot give permission to any user. Now click on add plus icon and then click on add user, and here you can add your add the Gmail ID. Make sure the email ID has a Gmail account, otherwise it would not work. And then you can notify by email to the user if you want to, and you can give access according to your requirement. So here is the document. I will add this document in the description. In administrator, you can edit a user role, you can give permission or remove users, and you can access any kind of reports, delete, add, anything you can do. In editor, you don't have permission to add any new user or remove any user, but you have full control of all settings. Marketer, you can create, edit and delete audience, events and key events. In analyst, it's kind of read only access, but you can create exploration reports. And viewer, you can give only view reports. So you can read this document, and accordingly you can give the permission. So now then you can click on add button, and you can give the access. And if still you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video.